Prove that OB square plus OD square. Prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OC square plus OA square. Okay, once again, a point O, listen, a point O in the interior of a rectangle ABCD is joined with each of the vertices A, B, C, and D. Prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OC square plus OA square. Okay, try now. Figure you can draw. Abhimanyu, a point O in the interior of rectangle ABCD anywhere and join OA, OB, OC. You can draw. Okay. That's all up to you, Agamir. You can try. Okay. Look at the time. Okay. So not getting. Look at here now. Okay. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Look at here now. Look. Here ABCD is a rectangle. Now don't start. I'll explain this one. Okay. A, B, C, D. O is here. OA, OB, OC, OD. What do you find out? You have to find out OA square plus OC square equal to OB square plus OD square. Okay. That is a shorthand construction because to get OA square, draw perpendicular here. E and F. Okay. Draw figure. That's not getting draw figure like this. Okay. Yeah, that also no problem. That's also no problem. AB or parallel also no problem. Okay. Okay, right? Draw figure. Mark a point O. Join OA, OB, OC, OD. Then to prove OA square plus OC square equal to OB square plus OD square. Okay. Then construction. Draw EF perpendicular to AB or CD. Draw EF perpendicular to AB or CD or parallel, both are same. Okay. Now look at here. Hello, listen here. This triangle, look, in triangle, okay, AOE, AEO, okay, AEO, okay, OA square equal to what? AE square plus OE square. Therefore, OE square equal to OA square minus AE square. This is Pythagoras theorem, call it number 1. What? OE square equal to OA square minus AE square. Now, this triangle, again, you write OE square equal to OB square minus BE square. Number 2. From 1 and 2, OA square minus AB square equal to OB square minus BE square, right? OB coming here. OA square minus this is AE square. Okay, AE. Okay. Correct or no? AE square plus OE square. Okay, AE square. Okay. OA square minus AE square equal to OB square minus BE square. Okay. OB square equal to AE square minus BE square. Number 3. Okay. Now this triangle DFO OF square equal to what? OD square minus DF square. Number 4. This triangle OF square equal to OC square minus FC square. Number 5. 3 and 5 OD square minus DF square equal to OC square minus FC square. Coming here. OD square minus OC square equal to DF square minus FC square. Number 6. Okay, right up to that. Okay. So right up to here, 1, 2, 3 till 6. Okay. Last line. Look at here, Abhishant. Listen here, Abhishant. First of all, listen, in triangle AEO, look at the figure. AEO. Okay. OA square is what? AE square plus OE square. Then you wrote OE square equal to OA square minus AE square. Okay. Similarly, second triangle. OE square equal to OB square minus BE square. From 1 and 2. This is OE square, here also OE square. OA square minus AE square equal to OB square minus BE square. OB coming here. OA square minus OB square equal to AE going that side. AE square minus B square. Number 3. Then in triangle OFD, OF square, OD square minus DF square. In triangle OFC, OF square equal to OC square minus FC square. Number 4. Same. We got OD square minus DF square equal to OC square minus FC square. OC coming here. OD square minus OC square equal to DF square minus FC square. Clear now? Okay. So we're all finished up to here. Okay, now look at here. Check 3 and 6. Is it equal? 3 and 6. Is it equal? The RHS is equal? Hello, Sri Lanka. Let's start. Okay. Is it equal? Why equal? Because look at here, AE and DF equal, correct or no? BE and FC equal. Okay, write down. You write AE equal to DF. AE equal to DF. AE equal to DF and BE equal to FC. Opposite sides of rectangles. Opposite sides of rectangles. Okay. Then, therefore, from 3 and 6, you can write OA square minus OB square. OA square minus OB square equal to, you will get OA square minus OB square equal to OD square minus OC square. We want OA plus, this is coming here, OA square plus OC square equal to OB square minus 3 plus OD square. Finish. Okay. What do you have to repeat? I told you now, AE equal to DF. AE equal to DF. EB equal to FC. Opposite sides of rectangle, shorter rectangles. Which one? AEFD. EBCF. So that means LHS of the 3 and 4 equal. Then readjustment, you got the answer. Okay, finished now? Okay. Okay. So next, so is it okay now? Next one. Okay, right. From a point O, next question. Hello, is it okay now? So you have to finish it this chapter, I hope Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday we start area related to circle. Okay. GIS starting when? I mean online class starting when? August 4. Oh, August was starting. Okay, okay. Okay, before that we'll finish your questions. Online class, right? No? And India International. Nobody here. Hyra, when is starting? Oh, yesterday only close. Okay, okay. So when is starting day? No idea. Okay, DPS September only, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll do next week then. It's better we didn't start before surface area volumes and all. Because many portions dropped. Okay. Right. From a point O, in the interior of triangle ABC from a point O in the interior of triangle ABC from a point O in the interior of triangle from a point O in the interior of from a point O in the interior of triangle ABC, perpendiculars OD, OE, OF are drawn to the side BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay, question again. From a point O in the interior of triangle ABC, perpendiculars OD, OE, OF are drawn to the sides BC, CA and AB respectively. Prove that 1. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. 2. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay, we try now. Okay, I read the question again. Look at here. From a point O in the interior of a triangle ABC, perpendicular to OD, OE, and OF. Okay, to the side BC, CA, and AB. Show that. Abhimanyu, listen here. From a point O in the interior of triangle ABC, perpendiculars OD, OE, OF are drawn to the sides BC, CA, and AB. Then prove that 1. AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. Okay, second one, AF square plus BD square plus CE square equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Okay, try now. Okay, getting now? Are you getting or not? Hello. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, wait. I'll do this one, okay? It's quite simple. Okay, Ganja finish. Okay. Okay, I'll show now. Look at here. Look at here. The figure A, B, C, or here, anywhere. Okay. OD, perpendicular. OE, OF. Okay, join OA, OB, OC. Okay, right? It's not straight line. Okay, just join on. Now, look at here. This triangle. Okay, OA square is what? AF square plus OF square. Correct? Correct or not? In triangle, listen. Mansari, listen. In triangle AFO. In triangle AFO. AFO. OA square equal to AF square plus OF square. Then OB square. In triangle BDO. BD square plus OD square. Number 2. Then in triangle CEO, OC square equal to CE square plus OE square. Number 3. You write everywhere Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Otherwise, half mark each will cut. Then add on OA square plus OB square plus OC square equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square plus OF square plus OD square plus OE square. Okay. Finish, no? This one, take it other side, we got the answer. Okay. You take it, OF square, OD square, OE square to other side, you got the answer. Correct or no? Right? After that, okay. Those not getting, finish this part. Okay.
Okay, finish. Hello, finish or not?
You reach here, then rearrangement, you got the second part, right?
Okay, I'm not going to explain that part. Okay.
So next question. Right. In a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, AC, AC greater than AB, AC greater than AB, D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of D is the midpoint of BC, and AE perpendicular to BC, AE perpendicular to BC, AE perpendicular to BC. Prove that AC square equal to, prove that AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE, AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square, 1 by 4 BC square. Okay, listen, AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. Okay, next one, AB square equal to AD square minus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square, 1 by 4 BC square. Okay, 3, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square, 2AD square plus half BC square, AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus half BC square, half BC square. Okay, try now. Okay, question clear now? In a triangle ABC, okay, question I'm reading. Okay, listen, in a triangle ABC, AC greater than AB, make it little big one. Okay, AC greater than AB, D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, and AE perpendicular to BC, AE perpendicular to BC. Okay, prove that AC square equal to AD square plus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. Then AB square equal to AD square minus BC into DE plus 1 by 4 BC square. 3, AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square equal to 2AD square plus half BC square. I'll give the figure, then you can draw according. Okay, look at here. A, B, C. Okay, D is the midpoint. So AD, AE perpendicular like this. This is the figure. Okay.
Okay. Try now. Okay, try now. Okay, getting it now? Okay, finish. For all God. Ushasi finish and Ganjav. I got the first one. Okay, you got the first one. You will get second one. Sure, we'll get it. First one, second one. Then add both. You will get third one. Okay. Finish. Hello, finish or not? Okay. Look at here. Come on. Those not getting, listen here. What about rest all guys not responding, whether getting or not? Look at here. First one, AC square. Look. AC square is AE square plus EC square. AE square plus EC is ED plus DC whole square. AE square plus ED square plus DC square plus 2 ED into DC. Okay. AE square plus ED square. What? AE square plus ED square, AD square. Plus DC is BC by 2 whole square plus 2 into ED into BC by 2. Okay, finish. Next what? AD square plus BC square by 4 plus ED into BC. ED into BC. Okay? Correct or no? I hope finish everyone, right? Rest all guys. Only Ganja, Maria, Quilin, Ushasi only responding. Rest all what? Then I'll cut rest all. Like batch B, like that we did. Those not responding, drop. Okay, similarly, now what? AB square in triangle AEB. AB square equal to AE square plus BE square. BE, we can write BD minus ED. So we'll get, sure, you can finish or not?
Okay, second one we got, then add both, we'll get a third one. Okay, because we have the end of the chapter, you're supposed to do something. If you have doubt, tell me, I'll explain that. Okay. Okay, finish. Second part. Oh, Mansari, come on. Look at here. In triangle AEB, look. In triangle AEB, this one. AB square equal to AE square plus BE square equal to AE square plus BD minus ED all square. Then AE square plus BD square plus ED square minus 2BD into ED. Okay. Then AE square plus ED square, AD square. BD square is again BC square by 4 minus 2 into BD is BC by 2 into ED. Cancel. We got AD square plus BC square by 4 plus BC into ED. Call it number 2. When we add, you will get 2 AD square. Then BC square by 4 plus BC square by 4 means BC square by 2. You'll get the third one. Okay now? Mansari, okay? So you ask, don't sleep, okay? Okay, finish. So next question, right? Are you okay now? Rest all. Finish all. Right. Prove that the area of the semicircle. Okay, next question, right? Prove that area of the semicircle. Prove that area of the semicircle. Prove that area of the semicircle drawn on the hypotenuse. Prove that the area of the semicircle. Prove that the area of the semicircle drawn on the hypotenuse. Drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the area of the semicircle, sum of the area of the, prove that the area of the semicircle, prove that the area of the semicircle drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the area of the semicircle, drawn on the other two sides of the triangle. Drawn on the other two sides of the triangle. Drawn on the other two sides of the triangle. Prove that the area of the semicircle drawn on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to sum of the area of the semicircle drawn on the other two sides of the triangle. Okay. Okay, try now. Okay, you can try this one. Okay. Figure you draw. No, figure you have to draw. Okay. Ganja, you try yourself. Figure. Okay.
Area of a semicircle, what? Circle area, what? Circle area, then half. Okay, look at here now. Not getting? Okay. Okay, wait, I'll wait. Okay. Then I'll wait. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen here. It's quite simple. Look at here. Okay. So prove that area of a semicircle drawn on the hypotenuse. Look. A right triangle. Okay. A, B, C. Okay, we can say this is a semicircle here. Okay, this semicircle here. This semicircle here. Okay. Area of 1 plus area of 2 equal to area of 3. Okay. Now look at here. Area of 1, what? Half into pi into AB by 2 whole square. Correct or no? This is the diameter. So radius is AB by 2 whole square. That is half pi into AB square by 4. So that is 1 by 8. 2 into 4, 8. Pi AB square. Okay. Similarly, area of 2, half pi into BC square by 4. So that is half pi AB square, sorry, 1 by 8 pi BC square. This is number 1. This is number 2. Then AC square will get 1 by 8 pi AC square. Correct or no? Okay, you add now this one plus this one. When we add 1 by 8 pi outside, AB square plus BC square, which is equal to what? AC square. Are you okay? Here now? Because area of a semicircle means half pi r square. Area of 1, half pi into AB by 2 whole square. Half pi into AB square by 4. So that is 2 into 4, 1 by 8 pi AB square. Similarly, 2, 1 by 8 pi BC square. 3, 1 by 8 pi AC square. Adding whether inside or outside, they didn't say anything. You know? Even figure also not required. Okay. If you want all, you can do. Better draw outside. Okay. Inside there is a space now. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, last part is what when we add 1 by 8 pi AC square, adding 1 and 2, 1 by 8 pi outside, AB square plus BC square, that is equal to AC square. Correct or not? Okay, finish. So what is the question number? Any idea about question number? Anyone did the numbering? We can do write the formula in terms of right angle. What is this one? What formula? It's not right triangle, no. Semicircle only. Semicircle, there is no formula, half pi r square only. Any other formula for semicircle, I don't know. You have any idea? Area of a semicircle is half pi r square only, according to my knowledge. Any other area? That is we derived now. Formula is what pi r square. Formula is pi r square by 2 only. Okay. Half pi r square. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now, next question. Okay. Right. It's clear now. If A capital A, be the area of a right triangle, if A be the area of a right triangle, A be the area of a right triangle, if A be the area of a right triangle, if A be the area of a right triangle and B one of the sides containing the right angle, B one of the sides containing the right angle, B one of the sides containing the right angle, prove that the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse, length of the altitude on the hypotenuse, length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is 2AB divided by root of b raised to 4 plus 4a square. Okay. Once again, a figure is here given. Okay. Figure is not given, I'm giving. Okay. Look, A is the area. Half base into height is area is A. A be the area of a right triangle. B one of the side contains the right triangle. This side is B. Okay. Prove that the length of the altitude on the hypotenuse, that means this one, S. This length is this much. Okay, question here now, once again. If A means capital A, be the area of a right triangle, that means here half QR into PQ or half PR into QS. B one of the sides containing the right angle, already here. Then show that the altitude on the hypotenuse, that means QS, equal to 2AB divided by root of b raised to 4 plus 4a square. Okay, try now. You can try this one, okay? Question. Who's that? Okay, question is A, listen, if A, capital A, be the area of a right triangle, A be the area of a right triangle, and B, small b, one of the side containing the right angle. Prove that length of the altitude on the hypotenuse is this much. That means you have to find that QS equal to that QS equal to half QS equal to AB divided by root of B raised to 4 plus 4A square. Okay, getting or not? Hello, are you trying? Okay.
Okay, finish. Oh, you got it. Okay, good. You all got. Okay, okay. Anyone have doubt? Or just you adjust the answer? Sure or not? You want, I'll explain here. Come on. Okay, let me listen here. Okay, Niharika, look at here. Hello, listen here. I know you have doubt this one. Okay, look. Half into QR into PQ equal to A, right? So half B into PQ equal to A. So PQ equal to 2A divided by B. PQ, this one, 2A divided by B. Then PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ 2A by B whole square plus QR B square. So that is 4A square divided by B square plus B square. LCM B square 4A square plus B raised to 4. Therefore, PR equal to root of 4A square plus B raised to 4 plus B, root of B square. Okay, right? Okay, right up to here. Just not getting right, Niharika team, right? Area, right? Start like this. Area of triangle PQR equal to half QR into PQ. Half QR into PQ. Okay. So half B into PQ equal to A. PQ equal to 2A by B. So now we got this one. So we can find PR. PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Pythagoras theorem, right there. 2A by B whole square plus B square. So that is 4A square by B square plus B square. It's going here. 4A square plus B raised to 4 by B square. PR equal to root of 4A square plus B raised to 4 divided by B. Don't think this is 2A plus B square. Okay. Then now what to do? Look at here. After that, half into PR into QS equal to A. Again, area same. So half into we want QS. Okay, we want QS. QS equal to 2A divided by PR. Substitute PR. 2A divided by PR is root of 4A square plus B raised to 4 by B. B going up. Okay. Okay. You got it finally, right? Okay. Okay, I told you this one, Maria. Can you check with the RD any question we missed? You have RD, right? Okay. Almost I covered. Anything missed? Tell me. Okay.
Okay. So next question. Okay, so next question. In figure, right? In figure, next one, star question. In figure, PS is the bisector of angle QPR. PS is the bisector of angle QPR. PS is the bisector of angle QPR. Okay, prove that QS by SR. Prove that QS by SR equal to PQ by PR. PQ by PR. Okay, look at here. In triangle PQR. Okay, wait. PQR. PS is the bisector. Then what you have to prove? QS by SR equal to PQ divided by PR. Okay, you have to try. Okay, I'll give 3 minutes, 3 or 2 minutes. Okay, if you are not getting an idea, tell me. Okay, we'll discuss it. Yes, similar triangle. Come on, similar triangle only. Purely similar triangle. Okay.
How can I go to a other than similar triangle, man? Okay. It's against the law, no. I'm doing similar triangle. How can I give a question other than similar triangle? Okay. There is GIS supposed to get. We did this one. There is a construction. Okay. There is some construction. There is. Okay. Try 1 minute. Okay, I'll show this one. Come on. Look at here. Look. So Sunday we'll finish this chapter. Then Tuesday onwards, areas related to circle. Lot of calculations there is. Okay. I hope we can finish it fast because major part is one angle one finish deleted. Okay. Look. Here there is a chota construction. Through R, draw a line parallel to SP like this. That's why I did figure down. Okay. This is parallel here. Then extend this one. T here. Okay. What you did? Through R, draw a line parallel to SP and extend QP to intersect at T. Okay. Now come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Question. Hello. Question. Arjun. Which are the angles equal? That extension, extend it, not bend. Okay. Extend QP. I think it is bent. Okay. Anyway, which are the angles equal here? Arjun. Come on, Arjun. Which are the angles equal? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't say Ganja. I didn't ask you. Okay. Which are the angles equal here, Arjun? Arjun not here. Arjun not here. Okay. So look at here. Then who all here answer? Okay. Sarnesh. Sarnesh. Any angles equal here? Yeah, which angle is equal? Which angle? Okay, look at here. It is straight away given 1 equal to 2, right? Number 1. Given 1 equal to 2, number 1. 1 equal to 3. Corresponding angles. 2 equal to 4. Alternate angles. Alternate interior angles. So what will you get? That means 3 equal to 4, right? Correct or no? 3 equal to 4. So 3 equal to 4 means PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR, right? Correct or no? 3 opposite PR, 4 opposite PT. Okay, right now first. Start. Angle 1 equal to angle 2.
Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Given. Then uh, 1 equal to 3 corresponding angle. 1 equal to 3 corresponding angles. One equal to 3 corresponding angles. 2 equal to 4 alternate angles. 2 equal to 4 alternate angles. 2 equal to 4 alternate angles. Okay. Then from 1, 2, 3 we get 3 equal to 4. 3 equal to 4. 3 equal to 4. Three equal to 4. Okay. Then in triangle PRT, in triangle PRT, in triangle PRT, 3 equal to 4 proved. 3 equal to 4 proved. Therefore, PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR. Okay, then look at here. In triangle QRT, PS parallel to TR. PS parallel to TR. Then by basic proportionality theorem, QS by SR equal to PQ by PT. But PT equal to PR. PT equal to PR. Okay. So that's enough today. So they will finish this chapter, then areas. Okay. Is it okay? Clear now? It's enough today. Okay.